Hey everyone, welcome again back to this channel. So today I'm going to be making a gown, just a gown for a baby girl, but the gown is going to have a rope at the neckline. So the first thing I'm going to do is to, for instance, this particular fabric, I already have it in two parts. This is one, this is two. So what I'm going to do is to fold into two. Once I fold into two, then at this point I'm going to measure 1.5. Then vertically I'm going to measure 4. The shoulder length is 7, that's 3.5, but I'm going to be using 4 for sewing allowance. So what I'm going to do next is either you make it this way, you slant it like this, either you slant it or you curve it. So you can curve. So and one more thing, you leave 1 inch on top. 1 inch for the rope, for the passage of the rope. So that means that I'm going to extend this also. So I'm going to start my 3.5 plus ½ inch sewing allowance from this point where I marked 1 inch. So I'm going to have it here 4. So this is it. So from this point, the total length is 14. So by the time I sew it in, I'm going to be having like 13.5 sewing allowance. So this is the rope. You can make it any length you want, but this is it. The weight is 2 inches. 2 inches. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cut out. So what I'm going to do next, this is the wrong side. So what I'm going to do next, this is it, opening up. So is this place, I'm going to sew this place for both sides. Then also I'm going to sew around this rope. I'm going to sew around. So what I'm going to do is to sew round. I'm going to sew round. That's the next thing I'm going to do now. I'm going to sew around this belt. After sewing around it, I'm going to leave an opening here so I can pass it out. So that's what I'm going to do next. So this is what I have. So what I'm going to do next is to pass it out through this passage. So you can cut out the excess. So I'm going to put it inside like this. Then I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to pull it out. You can see through here. Just pull it out. This is the first part. the other side too. I'm going to do the same thing. So this is the opening here. This is the opening. So I'm going to sew on it. Then after then, I'm going to join here. On the side to join here. So what I'm going to do next is to pass the rope through this channel. So this is the first part. So do the same for the second side. You adjust it. Adjust it. Cut out excess thread. So you adjust it very well. You can remove this now. Adjust in such a way that you have same length on both sides. So adjust it very well. Yes. So then what I'm going to do next is to press and sew. First I'm going to sew round. I already weaved the lower part. As you can see, I weaved the lower part. The next thing I'm going to do is to sew round the hem of this dress. I'm going to sew round. So this is what we have at the end of the day. This is it. We cut out this straight. Here we have. So tie around. So this is dress. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please kindly subscribe to support us. See you in the next one. Bye.